Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you can see the ringtone button panel. Now just to unmute the device ringtone, you should swipe this button panel to the right side with your finger by this way. Also, we can do it by the second way, just by press up or down volume button here on the right side of the device. And now just by press up volume button, we can also unmute our device ringtone, and also we can use those three buttons. And now just by the same way, just by slide to the up this volume panel, we can also unmute the device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.